Today I am going to tell you the basic phenomena of TDS. TDS is a part of direct income. It is basically introduced by the government because of certain reasons. One reason is that inflation controlling, two is that black money, three is that purchasing power curtailment, and also the spending power. It is done in such a way that those persons who are earning huge and they are not disclosing their income voluntarily. So how to make them able to pay their income or tax part so that the disposable income will be in certain position. So in that case the phenomena or the mechanism is introduced that is known as the incidence and the impact. Now here in this case there are two persons being involved here. Incidence will be on the one person and the impact will be on the other person. Incidence is someone who will make the payment, means who is basically obliged to make the payment. Normally he is not obliged to make deposit to the Department of Income Tax, but he is only obliged to make payment to the earner. So the earner's income, whenever it is paid by the payer or the service receiver, tax will be deducted, and that particular tax will be deposited by the service receiver on behalf of the earner, because the earner doesn't deposit its tax or shows or disclose anything on his own. So in this way, if the tax is deposited by the payer, the government will credit the account of the earner. Ultimately, when the earner will be accountable in respect of his own all the incomes, whenever he will be showing through IT return, that particular tax deducted will be set off. Suppose I am giving you an example. Suppose A earns 20,000 money from B. Now B is liable to make payment. When the recipient is prevented to conceal the income because the recipient B A is not going to pay money to the government on his own. So B is the person who will cut some amount of money from A and make the money little less than 20,000 or the extent of money. So in this way the amount deducted while making payment will be deposited to the government, and the government or the IT department will make the earner accountable when the IT return will be deposited or overall income will be assessed. So in this way, so impact and incident phenomena role takes place. Thank you. In the next video I will be telling you the technical mechanism, the technicalities and the accounting and the finance impact of TDS. Thank you.